All right, bubbly, all is forgiven.
So talk about it, talk about it, talk about it.